In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log any app on your iPhone with the passcode or Face ID. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Shortcuts app. You can easily find it if you search for a shortcut using YouTube search. And once the Shortcuts app is opened, make sure you are at the Shortcuts tab, and then tap right here at plus, select Add Action, and then search for Lock Screen. That's how we can easily find that shortcut, and then we just need to tap at Done to add it to our shortcuts. Here it is. After that, we need to head over to Automation, and that's where we need to create new automation. To do that, tap right here at plus, and then search for App. Just like that. Then select App. Where it says choose, we need to select all the apps we would like to log. Let's say I would like to log CapCut app. You can select several apps and then just tap at Done. Make sure is opened is selected. Then tap at Run immediately and then hit at Next. After that, tap at My Shortcuts. Select Lock Screen Shortcut. As you can see now, it says that when CapCut is opened, it will lock the screen. Now we can head over to the home screen, search for the CapCut app, and now if I open up the CapCut app, it will just lock the screen. In this way, we can protect our device if someone else is using it, because now Face ID or a passcode is required to get access to our device. In here also we can configure that shortcut if we get into it, and then if we tap at when CapCut is opened right over here, that's where if we tap at CapCut, we'll be able to add another apps here, let's say calendar, maybe calculator or some other applications, and then just tap at Done and Done again to save the changes. And now it says that it will lock the screen when any of 4 apps that we have selected are opened. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.